So today we are hosting what we call a vaccine equity clinic, or what I like to call a pop-up clinic. This is a standalone clinic that we are holding throughout Fairfax County. We do these in a number of locations, and today we are at the Braddock District.
The idea is to make it as easy and convenient as possible. So maybe folks are working and taking care of their kids and don't have time to drive across the county to the government center or drive across the county to the site in Alexandria. So we want to have localized clinics all around the county at different facilities, and that's what we're doing here. We've had in the last 2 days more than 60 people come through just in this one small clinic, and for them what they've said is it's easy, it's close to where they live or where they work, and it's not intimidating. So people have really appreciated it. We're targeting communities and neighborhoods around the county that have been hit particularly hard. So our outreach strategies, working with community partners, are targeted to make sure that everyone in Fairfax County has access to the vaccine.
In order to end this pandemic, we really need to get everybody vaccinated. And we can do that by getting as many people into our vaccination clinics, and we hope that these equity sites will be another step in our toolbox, or another tool in our toolbox that will help us get vaccines into arms.
The best thing you can do to protect your family, your friends, especially children, many of whom aren't yet eligible to get the vaccine, the best way to protect them is to get the vaccine yourself. And it's free and it's easy to do here in Fairfax County.
If people are interested in getting more information about vaccines, we would like them to go to fairfaxcounty.gov/COVID-19, or they can call our call center at 703-324-7404.